What's up, YouTube? So today, just got a, it's going to be 5 areas and a closet. Stairs are the worst part of it. I'm gonna go ahead and do a good vacuum on it before I get started. So the rest of the place is vacuumed. Looks like they did a pretty good job on it, but they didn't vacuum the stairs. So my stairs are my favorite thing to do, and I'm being sarcastic. I don't like stairs, but hey. So anyway, it's a fairly decent carpet, you know. They took care of it. It's a move out. They're selling the place and buying another place. So I'm going to be sure to do a good job. That way, when they need their carpets cleaned in the future, because they are local, they'll call me again. So as I showed up, I quoted them over the phone for 4 areas. But as you can tell, this would be 1 area. All right. So top landing, loft kind of good thing. 2, normal size room. 3, normal size room. Not charging for the closets in there. Then we got the stairs, 4. And actually, I charge more for stairs nowadays, but I'm cutting them a little break, just charging them for 1 room. And so this would be 5. So I don't know how we got the mix up on there. I think when he said there's a landing, I thought it was just going to be some small landing, but it's a whole room size. So, and then back here, and I'm going to do this closet for. Okay, and I do need to do a little bit of vacuum, it looks like. So, and this is, the backyard out the window. Nice little community, real close condo looking things, townhouses, I guess. Real nice. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the vacuum and stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm glad I decided to vacuum, because although the customer told me they vacuumed and it looked like it, obviously if they did, their vacuum's not too good. Got like the top stuff off, and a lot of the stuff on the bottom was just dwelling around, and you can hear it, that crunching sound that people who love vacuum videos love so much. This is probably one of the dirtiest areas. Okay, so did my vacuum, did the stairs, and yeah, I'm glad I vacuumed because there was a lot of soil on the bottom of the carpet that I'm glad to have picked up. So sometimes it's good to just go ahead and give it a try. You know, if the customer says that they vacuumed, go ahead and run a vacuum and see how well they did. You know, picking up as much soil as you can leaves for a better clean at the end, you know, especially, you know, some of these dark areas, soiled areas. And yeah, so what I'm doing now is I'm going to go ahead and pre-spray. Got my Hydro Force hooked up. I got carpet detail on it. My go-to pre-spray. And I'm using the Oric today for pre-scrubbing because I'm just going to do spots here and there, right? If I was doing the whole area, you know, if the whole carpets were totally soiled everywhere, I mean, I'd definitely break out the Power Flight Multi-Wash, okay? It just covers more area quicker, but this does scrub well itself. It's just a little slower, okay? And it's just going to take your job a little longer, that's all. As far as scrubbing, it's plenty good enough for your pre-scrubbing. And basically, the main reason why I have it is for the stairs, because I know the stairs are the most soiled. Okay, so I want to do a good pre-scrub with that, and the Oric is great. I got the green brushes on, that's all I've ever used. They work great on tile and carpet, in case people are wondering. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pre-spray. Stay tuned. Subscriber mentioned to me that I should start from the beginning and work my way out I'll have less troubles with the fighting with the cords and stuff like that, and that makes total sense. You try to do that as much as possible from now on. Thanks. Thanks a lot for the advice if you're watching the video. I forgot who it was, or else I'd shout them out. I just ran across it last night in my comments because YouTube's not notifying me on my comments anymore. I don't know if once you get so many subscribers and views, it's just too much. So I went and looked at the history and seen that. But appreciated, you know. I mean, if you think you know nothing, if you think you know everything, you got a lot to learn. So taking advice, which makes you a better carpet cleaner or anything in general. Just a few areas upstairs here that need to be scrubbed. Entryways always. So if you don't have enough money for a CRV right now and you're looking to do more pre-scrubbing, the Auric is the way to go. It's only about 370 bucks. You can do low moisture with it, pre-scrub. Great tool. And pre-scrub and on stairs works very well too. So as I mentioned, I got a hand drill that I also do pre-scrubbing with a brush on the end for the stairs. But since I have this out already, get the lip real good. The lip's the worst part of stairs. Alright, gets the dirtiest, and if things are to pop back up, it's going to be that lip. If you didn't get a good rinse or a good scrub on it, you'll know. So you know what the most important thing is about starting your own carpet cleaning or any business is never quitting. All right, just don't quit. Keep going.
You never give up. You pick yourself up, you brush yourself off, you push forward, you move on, you adapt, you overcome. That is what I believe.
Especially in the carpet cleaning business, if you're doing everything you need to do and create a good reputation for yourself, you're going to succeed. You're always going to have slow times, but then you're going to have crazy busy times like summer, you know. So be thorough, don't skip steps. And if you're just a person liking watching carpet cleaning videos and you know, you hire a carpet cleaning company from time to time, watch out for those prices, because if you get them too cheap, they're skipping steps. I mean, I could have literally walked in here, didn't even vacuum, pre-sprayed, didn't even pre-scrub, zip through here, I would have been done with this job in, I don't know, 45 minutes. It's going to take me an hour and a half to do this job. But guess what? Those people are getting a bunch of callbacks, right? And they're getting bad reviews. So spend a little bit more time. Charge what you need to charge for that time. And you're going to do good. Beautiful, like brand new again. Alright guys, all finished up. Customer's really happy. You know, a young guy, he 26 years old, this is his second house. He's selling this and moving into another one, went into the military as soon as he got out of high school. Did it right. And he went in the military and signed up as a trade doing construction. So got out and jumped right into construction on the outside, and you know, got all the benefits of the military. You know, I mean, utilize military the right way, it can do a lot for you. And apparently all those guys, you sign up for construction, you're going to be doing construction. You're going to be on the front line. So anyway, he was really happy with my job, and he said he Googled carpet cleaning. He noticed I was the top one, and the person below me only had like 2 reviews. So, and he noticed I had over 50, and so he called me up. He's real appreciative, and took a card, and he's gonna call me again, you know, and I'm happy. So, all right, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Looks like you can drink it. No, I'm just kidding. Not that bad at all. Well taken care of carpet.